getting ready to put some soup on later. It's just whatever I've got left in the fridge soup. Gonna add some potatoes, carrots and onions, some mushrooms, a stock pot. I think it's a beef one. I wasn't going to use it, but it's sprung a leak, so I'm going to use it up. Some mixed herbs. These beans are half a mixed can of beans that I opened the other day, so I use those up. And this is stock left over from my chicken. I've just taken all the fat off the top. And anything else I can think to put in it along the way, and it's all going to be cooked, go into this pot, into my Clever Chef. Right, I forgot to add the tomato puree. I forgot to say it anyway. If I can do this with one hand. Everything's all in there, a big splodge of that. Now I can add the pepper, some black pepper. I can't add the salt with one hand. That's going to be a bit. So, yeah. I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add the water up to, you can't see, there is some lines in there. Anyway, I'm going to add the water. So, I'll pop you down and lay out the salt. Maybe on there I do. Excuse my mess, I haven't cleared up yet. Wasn't going to add any salt, but obviously the potatoes are not salted, so make sure that's covered well. Give it a quick quick stir. And that's going on for that's the soup setting, and it says 40 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade. So I'm going to put that on like that. If it needs longer, I'll put it on longer. And when it's done, I'm going to take some out and blend it to make it thicker. I'll show you. I did blend half of it, well over half of it. I should have added more vegetables and it would have been thicker. But yeah, not a bad soup. I'll have a quick taste. Very nice, very tasty. And loads more left for another day or later.